Oh wait, here, let's try it again.
No, it's fine. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Wait, Mama, I need a mixing tool.
Oh.
So what you need, so I'm gonna do how to make slime. And so what you need is glue. Use school glue, but I don't have the glue all. And then a bowl. And then this is borax and water. You stir it up. And then my mom's gonna get a mixing tool. I'm doing it off this side because wondering it could be messy. Depends how good the slime is. I'm just gonna do like a little batch, just in case if I need to make it's gross. So perfect. So my mom got the mixing tool. Oh, and by the way, I'm just gonna make small batches.
Okay, make small batches.
So the lighting might change because it's. So first we're gonna do this. It's gonna be easier if you just take off the lid, and we're gonna put the spoon to the side. And what you do, just plop it in. Now what you do, be stable. Now what you do is that you add it in. Okay. Like that. Now what you do is you stir it up. You stir it. So it's like that. It's slime. I'm gonna go in. Consistency. It's kind of stiff. I could probably do more glue. More glue. Maybe a little bit more. I'm gonna mix it in, and maybe more borax if I needed more borax. Or it might just be the glue. It's kind of hard. Or it might just be the glue that I'm using. Most people do like school glue. Just cars going big. So, I mean, it is slime, but it's glue. So I'm gonna add some more borax. This could be a fail. I hope I'm doing all the steps, okay? I haven't made slime in a long time, guys. I really do. And if you want, you can add, like, or for activator, you need to do Starflow, or if you want, you can add, if you want, you can add dye, like food coloring. So I'm gonna take it out. It's better. Not really. I don't know what I did wrong. I mean, it's sure cold. I mean, it kind of is slime. Right, guys? So what we're gonna do is that this could be a part of the new slime. Borax. We are the making cars, guys. We have a motorcycle that just went by, guys. Stir, 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 stir. I seen my friend do it. Well, my old friend do this, how to make slime, and go check out her channel. I don't remember her channel, but go check it out. Like, type in Kennedy. That's a similar site. Maybe some lotion. I don't know what's to fix this. So guys, I'm back with lotion. If you're like stiff, you might want lotion in yours. So we're just gonna add a couple pumps of lotion. A couple pumps should do the trick. Let me get up close. So if you make good, perfectly good slime, and you add lotion in it, it's gonna get worse. You can't really tell if lotion's gonna make it better or worse. So the consistency of this, go check out my Instagram too. Go follow me, unless your account is private, like on YouTube. So this is a consistency. First time making slime, it might be a little bit stiff, might go bad, but I could get a mess. And you have like a person that like strict, that you want the house clean, like my mom, might want to do it outside, guys. Might be the glue actually that I use. Kind of getting better. I can't tell if it's getting better, guys. Kind of getting stretchier. Kind of. But it's still pretty stiff. Let's add some more pumps of lotion. It seems like the lotion is kind of getting better. I don't really know if it's getting better. Okay. So for this, I use lotion, glue, and some activator. Okay, it's kind of getting better. So by the way, on Thursday and Friday, I'm staying home. I don't have to go anywhere. I'm going to this camp where I learn layer. But on Thursday and Friday, I'm staying home, so I might do 2 videos a day. And I'll be posting more on my Instagram. So go check out my Instagram, guys. My hands are cold. It's actually kind of good slime. Depends. There's a lot of cars driving by. Guys, you might hear it. So it's actually getting stretchier. Actually, it's because you probably don't want to add too much, maybe a little bit at a time, and work on, because you don't want to ruin slime, right, guys? It's kind of getting stretchier. See what that far? That's maybe a couple, 10 more pumps. Then it should be good. Like an iceberg slime. not really, like snowy slime where just 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we added 10 pumps of lotion. And what I'm doing is at first it's gonna feel kind of slimy, but when you do it, kind of getting better. Okay, this is actually not look good. I don't know what you're seeing, guys, because I'm not looking through the lens. Now I am. So I did this life hack a couple minutes ago, like 20 minutes ago, and I was trying to send my life hack. And my mom, she slimed, she throws it away. So that's how you do it, guys. Making slime. Bye, guys.